friends, welcome back. What we are looking at right now is the Gans chart, which you must have seen a million times on the internet, and the lines floating in space. We are aware of all these numbers, what they mean on the top, all the calculations which are done here. We also understand various counting going on this sample chart. We want to bring you to the modern age of same phenomena right here. Just keep that in context. So now we are at 5-minute chart. These rules can be applied on any time frame chart. These are the true magical secret points where the angular momentum gets initiated. So you can see here there are starting points. Why are the lines starting from here or somewhere here or somewhere here or somewhere here? He is using pivots here on a monthly charts or yearly charts or quarterly charts or weekly charts or daily charts. And this is soybean chart. I just took it from the net to demonstrate that what's really going on. These can be flux lines. These can be planetary or longitude, or it could be angular momentum. We are discussing today the angular momentum lines coming from various points in space. This is coming from nowhere. There's no price here. So what is going on? The way you want to trace it, track it, and profit from it, because the master did it, and you as the subject of the master, you can do it too, but now with modern technology and fully automated. It's called the market profile impulse angles. Drop the tool is all set up for you. On the bottom we have what we call as the contract tracker. Alright, so what's going on here is, if you look at this, the beams coming from here, that's 6 beams, 3 going upwards, 3 going downwards, and we are looking at the market to vibrate from these beams. When also every day, now this is a 5-day chart, and they'll keep projecting automatically, as you can see here. It'll keep on going. So what we are also interested in seeing where the middle line is. Okay, so let me just explain that. So we have this line, we have this line projected, and we also have this line, and we have lines coming down here as well. Same thing happening here. You can see same thing going on there. If you trace this line all the way to the top, you see this, what happened? This low projected through this beam, it broke that, came back to retest it to the tick. And that's the magic of knowing and understanding the laws of nature, which Mr. Gann understood, and now we do very profoundly. So this center line was very instrumental, and if you do the same thing from here, look at the center line. What's going on here? Market went back to the tick, to this central line, isn't it? It's all happening automatically, so we can't even do anything about it. Drop it, it just plays. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. So that is what's going on. And if you look at these lines coming down here, 3 lines, it looks very confusing. It is not once you get used to seeing it. What's happening here? Middle line to the tick. Right here to the tick, right here to the tick, right here. fully automated awareness. Then we also have a line coming down here, which also happened here. So the point is there's no randomness in the market. So why do we have 3 lines? We have 3 lines because if the pressure is like market is going sideways, it may not get trapped. When the panic sets in, it just goes through 3 lines. When the panic starts up on the top side, on the bottom side, it will go to these lines. When they are in a normal rotation with a low volatility, it may also go to higher lines. That's like here. Just chopping off, went to the higher line right here. See this one? Top line. Then the same thing happening here, 1, 2, and 3. It was just going to the top line. So how do we trade this? Well, obviously, you have to be a trader. You can see right here on the bottom side, the contract is on the overbought side. Here we have a loss of momentum in the contract collection, while market was going and attracting itself at this secret line. Here it went down when the contracts are at 0 line or lower at 45, right? So this is like 0 degrees, these are 90 degrees contract rotations, and this is the center line is where we have the attraction point. So when you are at these levels, look at your contract rotation. Look at here. And this is how you trade this, guys. Look at this on the top. Look at this top. This is giving you enough confidence and the levels of interest. Way in the end, also market came down and hit the center line again and bounced from it. This is the magic, automatic magic, representing the 100-year-old discovery, which was not really understood by anybody. Now with one click is at your fingertips. Now you can be the master you deserve to be. Thank you so much.